So after we've undone the amplifier on the back of the subwoofer right here, you have to go in through the inside and undo these screws to get the driver out, because the front panel of this does not come off like a lot of speakers do. And this is the amplifier I've been taken off the back, and I'll attach a photograph here where I had to pull off the LED wire for the light on the front of the bass and the two driver wires that attach to those two, there and there. All right, here's the driver out of the box. Two simple wires. Now this foam here is all disintegrated. And this is what makes the awful vibrating noise when you're trying to use your stereo. So now on Amazon they make a rubber gasket, which is better than the foam apparently. $9.99 for this, and it's going to go here. You have to carefully pull up this gasket here and then use rubber glue. It has to be rubber glue. It has to be flexible apparently to have high strength but yet handle the vibrations of the bass when it's on, so it doesn't crack like normal crazy glue. So once all this comes off, that'll lay underneath, and then this gasket will go back on, hopefully in one piece. So after a lot of tedious scraping, all the glue and foam is off the outer rim and the inner rim. And then this rubber gasket's going to glue around there. And it's going to glue outer and inner if all goes properly. And then this gasket will go back on again and also glue down and hold all that in place. All right, it's all glued and set up. This glue is really good with that precise nozzle that comes with it. You're able to get right in and glue it right to the, whatever that's called, the inner cone, I guess. And then glue it around the outside, then put the gasket back on and glue the gasket down. So 1, 2, 3 layers of glue. All right, I've got it hooked up. Let's do the final test. Hopefully this music doesn't get copyrighted for 2 seconds. Absolutely perfect. Saved myself over $200 in repair, sending it back to Paradigm. So for $9.99, you can do it too.